Release the Kraken!
What?
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistake.
Yeah, cool guys don't look at explosions.
All troops will debark for ground assault. Prepare to target the main generator.
Yo, his palm spaghetti, knees weak, arms spaghetti. There's vomit on his sweater spaghetti, mom spaghetti. He's
Slap down, peel slap down, peel slap down.
Oh my goodness, oh my damn, oh my goodness, they're going ham, oh my.